Have you ever been tracking log files only to find that your script suddenly stops working? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to detect log file rotation while monitoring log files for modifications. I completely understand how annoying it is when your script just stops without any error messages. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar issues when dealing with log files. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does my script stop processing log entries after a few days?" They noticed that their script halts without any errors, and they suspect it might be due to log rotation. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be happening here? Log rotation is a common practice where log files are renamed and new log files are created. If your script isn't set up to handle this, it will stop reading the old log file, leading to the issue you're experiencing. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage log file rotations seamlessly. To begin addressing the log rotation issue, the user should modify the existing script to check for the log file's existence and update the file handle accordingly. Next, the user can implement a function that checks for the current log file and updates the file handle when a rotation occurs. This function will be called periodically. Now, the user should integrate this function into the main loop of the script. This will allow the script to continuously monitor the log file and switch to the new file when rotation happens. Finally, the user should test the updated script to ensure it correctly detects log rotation and continues processing new log entries without interruption. Did you know? Log rotation is like spring cleaning for your logs. It keeps them tidy and manageable, but it can trip up scripts that aren't prepared for the change. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using Inotify for detecting log file rotation. Instead of polling the file system, Inotify will notify you when changes occur, which is more efficient. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative approach to detect log file rotation involves checking the inode of the log file. By using the os.stat function, you can retrieve the inode number. When this inode changes, it indicates that the file has been rotated. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative approach shared by a user involves modifying the log file monitoring script to handle log rotation more effectively. They noticed that when the service creating the log files restarts, it deletes old files and creates new ones, causing the notifier to lose track of the log file. The user implemented a check that rewatches the log file if there are no updates for 75 seconds. This ensures that the script continues to function even after log rotation occurs. Here's the tip I promised. Always include a check for log file rotation in your scripts. This simple addition can save you from unexpected downtime and ensure your logs are always monitored. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your script should now handle log file rotation smoothly. Remember, keeping your scripts updated is key to avoiding issues. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our bonus tip on optimizing your log monitoring.